Hey, to set alarm clock on the POCO X6, all you have to do is just to open the clock. Now from here, you will have to go into the alarm, so it's actually the first icon on the left side. And from here we can already find some presets. So we can use, for example, this one and click on the switcher to first turn it on. And if you want to customize it, just click on it and tap on the additional settings. So from here you can set the time for your alarm. Below you can change the ringtone. From here you can find 5 default sounds, but when you go for the all ringtones, you can select, for example, your custom sound by tapping on the choose local ringtone, and now you can pick something from your sound recorder, file manager or music, but also we can open list of all default sounds. If you select your favorite, just go back, accept permissions, and now we can also set repeat. So we can get it once, like every day, from Monday to Friday, or for example the custom day, like I'm gonna get it for the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and click OK. Now we can also enter the label if you want to input some custom text, and click on the right upper corner to confirm. And as you can see right now, our alarm is turned on, and you can also turn on the multiple alarms. So as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.